All right, hey guys, so you know that today and tomorrow I've given you some time to create a special Mother's Day gift to give to a special mom that you may have in your life. Again, that can be your mom, it can be a grandma, maybe an aunt, an older sister, maybe even just like a family friend, but just to honor and thank moms for all their hard work. So one suggestion was a word art word cloud. So you can see I'm at wordart.com, and then when you get here, that's kind of like a picture right there. You see that heart that's shown on the screen. That's what a lot of the students who are on campus created this year for their moms. I've done these in the past too. They turn out really cool. So in this video, I'm just going to kind of walk you through and show you how to create one of these word clouds. So once you're at this site, it'll bring you here as like the home page, and you can click Create Now. And then you'll see right over here, you have different words, and it's giving you the different fonts. So you can change the font if you want. I'm going to leave mine on default just for this video. And then you're going to click right over here where it says Word. And maybe I want to type in like mom with all capital letters. Maybe I want to type in mother, helpful. And then if you want to type in a new word, you can add that here. Caring. I'm trying to think of other words that I would use to describe my mom. Funny, and so on. I can add as many words as I would like. And then what I can do is click Visualize. And now you can see that mine is generating just kind of a circle right here. So I can change the shape by clicking right here on Shape. And you can see that there are different shapes that I can create. If I want just a simple heart, I can click that and visualize. It'll take a moment, but then it'll generate that shape with the words that I've chosen. And you can see that the first word that I had on my list was the word mom, so that's appearing pretty big. But you can change the colors if you would like. You can change the fonts. Right here, it's going to show you different fonts. So even if I click right here, if I like that font, I can click Visualize and it'll change. It takes a moment. But now you can see that there are a lot of different options here. If you scroll through, there's a lot of different pictures. Maybe, I don't know, there's one student on campus and they've got like a lot of chickens and roosters at their house, and the mom like loves their rooster, and they have like chicken and rooster decorations in their kitchen. And so she did a rooster. So if I click that and I click Visualize, then you can see what that shape will look like. So a lot of different options, guys, but I just want to give you a quick video tutorial on how to use this program. Once you're finished, then you can click, let me go back to words, visualize, and I believe I would click download, and I could go to standard JPEG. Then you're going to notice down here in the corner, it will download your completed picture. So then if you'd like to print, this will print on a regular sheet of copy paper. You'll just click up here on the print icon, and you can see that it takes up the entire page. So that's another option of something that you guys could create. If you have color ink, then you could do it in color. If you have black and white, then you can just change your font color to black and white. But just another idea of something really cool that you guys could make. Let me know if you guys have any questions on how to create the word art.